Should I have known I had cancer? I do the blog mostly to help other people out, I think, and it helps me out. It's really helped me come to terms with having cancer and helping other people. I get emails constantly from people who read my blog, especially from family members of people who have cancer, and they are just so happy to understand part of what their loved one is going through.
Hopefully it will still draw for us and we'll get 10.
I was having breathing problems, and it was getting continuously worse. I'm one of those old school people that don't like to go to the doctor. I asked the doctor, does this lump here matter? The biopsy let me know I had cancer. I was so overwhelmed I didn't know if I was feeling good or bad. The first round of chemo was 2 days in a row, because the second day it has to go really slow to make sure you don't have any bad reactions. And then I had either 5 or 7 more rounds to go from there. Each round hits harder and harder and harder. I felt like I had been through war. And I'd been through deployments in the Army. I would have rather gone back on deployment again than go through another round of chemo. I mean, I would have done it because I love my family, but luckily, right after that, I had a PET scan, and my PET scan showed me an all clear. It felt like I breathed for the first time in months. Every 8 weeks, I take a maintenance infusion of rituximab. There is a chance that maintenance can extend the amount of time I'm in remission. Dr. B, she initially calmed any fears I have, but then what really helped up there was the nursing staff. The nurses up there are so great, and they remember me each time I come. They don't make me feel like I'm their patient. They make me feel like I'm their friend. I've always been the person who couldn't convey what I was going through. But when I'm blogging, I can. And if that in some way helps another person, that helps me feel better. When you first get diagnosed, if you're like me, you think death. Don't think that. Just think positive. It can either be removed or pushed in remission, or there's possibilities. And if there's not a possibility today, there could be tomorrow.